Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps in calculator on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. Now just select agree and continue and select grant. Now just enable this toggle. After that, just tap on got it. Now just enter a 4-digit PIN. After that, just tap on the equal to button. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. Now just select skip and tap on skip. Now just tap on this icon. Now from here, just select the apps which you want to hide. Now once you select the apps which you want to hide, just tap on next. Now from here, tap on enter and select calculator. Now as you can see, the selected apps will be hidden from your home screen and from your app drawer. Now to view the hidden apps, just open the calculator app. Now just enter your PIN. Now once you enter your PIN, just tap on the equal to button. Now as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. And this is how you can hide apps in calculator on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.